Yes, yes, yes. We are live. We are live. My name is Big Ben. Welcome to my live stream. Today we actually going to talk about, should I buy Bitcoin? Okay, should I buy Bitcoin or should you buy Bitcoin? And also we're going to answer some questions. If you guys have some questions, if you're new to my channel, welcome. If you don't know who I am a professional day trader. Okay, this is what I do. I also swing trade cryptos. I day trade Monday through Friday, financial markets. So if you want to learn more about that, hit that subscribe button. If you don't understand what's going on in the market, hit that subscribe button, all right? And if you don't know how to make money now in the crypto market, hit that subscribe button, okay? So during this live stream, of course, I'm not giving anyone financial advice. This is entertainment only, guys. Shout out to everybody that's coming through. Let me see if I see anybody in the live chat real quick. Hey, what's going on, guys? Let me pop you guys out real quick. All right, so let me give you guys a round of applause. If you're watching that replay, you can actually hit the if you watch that replay, you can actually hit the the speed button 1.5 or 2, so you can speed up the video. Okay, so let's get the party started. Let's see if actually let's go to CoinMarketCap real quick. So right now, Bitcoin dominance is 52. Market cap 172. All right. Let's see if we see anything on the market cap. Let me see here. All right. So yeah, so pretty much went to 186. It tried to go to the 200 billion mark, but right now it didn't go. So overall, the market is looking weak. It's just what it is. No big sell off today, but just a little sell off, and we're looking for to see what these cryptocurrencies are going to do. So let's go to the chart real quick, and then we're going to go to your guys' questions if you do have some questions. Shout out to everybody that's coming in. All right, shout out to everybody that's coming in right now. And of course, if you're new to the channel, welcome. Hit that subscribe button, especially if you're new. All right, so let's basically go to this chart right now. So we're gonna go to that 4 hour real quick. Actually, let's go to the 1 hour. All right. Now, all right. So what I don't know if you guys remember what I said before. Okay, I said Bitcoin can actually have the same situation that Litecoin had. All right, and let me show you Litecoin real quick. Okay, Litecoin had a situation where it was at its peak right here. Right, we broke out of this triangle right here to the downside. We came back to the triangle, pulled back to the breakout, found resistance at the breakout, and then we went right down. Okay, and I told you guys, watch out for Bitcoin. Okay, watch out for Bitcoin, because it might make the same pattern Litecoin is going to make. Right, fast forward to today, we have a breakout to the downside, and what we have, guys, okay, as soon as it went to that breakout, sell off. How lovely this, this is lovely. That's why I love the charts, technical analysis. It's just so beautiful. I'm in love, guys. I'm in love. So we selling off right now. Okay, now we have to see if this is going to continue, just like Litecoin actually continued. And I definitely expect some, definitely some more downside, at least to this guy right here. Okay, it's a strong possibility we can actually go back down, wipe this guy out right here. And if you wipe this guy out right here, then most likely we probably might go back to these lows right here, which is around 47, 48. Right now we have to, in order for Bitcoin to remain, I'm not even going to say bullish, because there's nothing bullish about this, but just keep up this momentum, we have to find support right here. Okay, Now, if we find support right here, it can't be temporary support. Okay, it has to hold. So we're looking for something like this, pull back. You know, we're looking for this. We're not looking for you know, a situation where it temporary support, right? Act like it's going up and then it goes right back down. We don't want that. So for the most part right now, yes, things are looking toppy. I told you guys before, things are looking toppy. All right. And we had a situation where we had a lot of Litecoins. I'm sorry, a lot of coins, period, at its, you know, resistance zone. I told you before we had Litecoin at resistance. Okay, let me show you that real quick. On the daily chart, we had Litecoin at resistance right here. We had Ethereum at resistance. If I can show you that real quick. All right, we had Ethereum at resistance right here. We have Bitcoin Cash. I'm not too sure if this is at resistance. Yes, we do have resistance. This trend line right here. All right. We have Tron, of course, at resistance right here. So you got to be careful. Actually, let me look at Bitcoin Cash one more time. Let me see. Yeah, so you got to be careful. You know, this doesn't look, you know, we have a lot of coins pretty much at resistance, right? And of course, we have XRP at resistance right here. Okay. Now, what else? All right, so that's what I'm looking for, guys. I'm looking for continuation to the downside. How much? All right. It all depends on how it breaks this low. Okay. So let me show you real quick. Let me show you real quick. All right. Now, if it breaks this low right here with force, all right. If I see something like boom, then automatically I'm looking for probably a complete wipeout. Okay, all the way back to this breakout right here, right? Which is the 4,000 zone, which is not really good at all. If Bitcoin retraces all the way back here, that's not good. You might as well say game over. And like I said before, I automatically, I always expect new lows anyway. Okay, I know some of you guys think this is the bottom. You think it's going to go up to the moon or whatever the case is. You know, it can't go below 3,000. I know some of you guys think that way. I don't think that way. I don't. I think we still have more downside until Bitcoin, you know, basically tells us something different. Right now, it's not telling us nothing. Okay, so the title of my video is "Should I Buy?" Should I buy? Okay, me personally, I'm not a buyer right now. Okay, number one, I told you guys we are at resistance, right? And number two, if you buy, you're pretty much buying at the high, right? Most moon boys and people that don't understand the chart, they always buy at the high, always. Okay, I can guarantee you a lot of crypto investors right now are buying right now, like almost 100%. 100% guarantee you they buying right now. Okay, and pretty much they buying at the high. Now, can we get another up move? It's a possibility, right? Right now, I just expect more downside. We will see. We will see if we have you know, support around this area. All depends on if they pretty much, if they go above this level once again, then I will say that it's a strong possibility it will reach that top again. Okay, but overall, it looks like we're probably gonna go and either wipe out this person right here, and if when we do that, most likely we're probably gonna go to the lows right here. All right. It's just what it is. Things, you know, it is what it is. So, I'm waiting for you know, the market to, you know, give us that sign. If you guys have any questions, definitely type it in. I'm not a buyer right here. Should you buy? Of course, I can't give you financial advice. You know, I'm not a buyer right here. You know, just what it is. So let's go to the chat room. Again, thanks a lot, guys, for stopping by. J.A. Alex, okay. Who Flung 1106. Thanks a lot, guys, for stopping by. New Start. I have how many people are watching right now? 39. And only a few people is in the chat box. Come on, guys. You know, I'm quite sure you guys have some questions. If you don't, you know, it is what it is, but I'm quite sure you have questions, right? So type it in if you have questions, you know, even if you want to say hi, right? If not, we can definitely end the chat room early, all right? Let me see if I see any questions right now. JA, I point all my stuff and empty all my bank accounts, Bitcoin to the moon. Of course, I know you're joking. Shout out to you. New Start said, hey man, I finally made it to your live stream. I've been watching replays, man. Shout out to you, bro. I'm guessing that you're a new subscriber. Shout out to you, bro. So you said Bitcoin SV got delisted from Binance, for real? You know, a lot of these coins are going to get delisted. Delisted, so, you know. So there is a big sell-off today. This is not really big. I'm looking for that big thrust. I'm looking for more than this, okay? And we can probably get it if we break these lows right here. We can probably get it if we break these lows. That's if they want to break, you know, that's if they want to sell it like that, okay? So if we break these lows right here, we can probably get that big thrust down, okay? Because all this right here, this zone right here is just, honestly, it looks like it's waiting to, you know, retrace all this move up right here. And I'm telling you right now, guys, if we trace all the way back down to here and wipe out all these gains, oh man, guys, these moon boys are literally going to be depressed, sad. Oh man, this is going to be a sad day. All right. You know, I still don't understand the moon boys. I still don't understand them. What's going on, GT? What's going on, Habib? All right, shout out to you, bro. Shout out to everybody that's here. Mr. Big Man, what's going on? George, the price has not fall yet. Yeah, I'm looking for something. Let me see here. I took some profits earlier. Thank you, man. Shout out to you, bro. And shout out to everybody that's here. Guys, that's the name of the game. You have to take profits, man. If you don't take profits, you basically just wasting time. George said the golden cross is coming. Okay, coming for what? Is it coming to basically make the market bullish and go up to 50K? That's what you mean? What is one of your favorite patterns? I don't really have a favorite pattern. Okay. I'm you know, the way I'm looking at the market, I'm just basically looking at the market for you know, resistance, support and resistance. But you can basically get in the market any way you want to. If you want to use a flag, you can get in the market like that. In cryptocurrencies, especially when we're going up, these flags, they work pretty good. Okay, so if you're basically bullish for the most part, you know, flags are pretty good with the cryptocurrencies. But at the same time, okay, most people get it twisted. Just because you see a flag doesn't mean it's going to work all the time. Okay, and that's why you also have to take profits. Okay, so for example, I'll give you a good example right here. We have a flag right here. I'm quite sure a lot of people took this flag too, right here, and pretty much they got stopped out. So you still have to understand technical analysis, understand how to read the chart, understand support and resistance, understand market structure, because you just can't take every single flag, and you have to, you know, understand, you know, when to take profits. But when the market is moving pretty good, you know, these flags are real good in cryptocurrencies. Let me go to we will go up then crash. George, we went up a lot, man. You know, we don't really have to go up anymore. I mean, we can probably go up one more time, but honestly, the way things are looking right now, this is looking kind of toppy. We don't have to go up one more. We can just go down from here. I'm not saying that this is the top. I'm just saying, you know, this is looking. I don't like the structure. I don't like how it's looking. We can definitely go down from here. Let me see here. What's going on, Brandon? Edward, what's going on, bro? You said it's not the time yet. It will happen at the end of the month. Yeah, I mean, I think you're right. I think, you know, for the most part, we probably will sell off probably next month. But at the same time, it might surprise you when we sell off a little bit and bounce. You know, we could do something like this, sell off and do another bounce. Okay. By the end of the month, do a bounce, and by the beginning of next month, go right back down. So it could go multiple ways. Zoran said, I asked a question. Let me see what question you asked. Bro, do you think we are going down to 3K? Yes, I do think we're going 3K. But I don't know when. Okay, no one knows when. If someone tells you they know when, they lying to you. Right? Technical analysis is not really, is not here to predict time, but it will tell you areas on the chart where price is likely to turn. Right? So do I expect we're going to go below 3,000? Yeah, I do expect that. Yes. I mean, overall, I still think cryptocurrencies is hyped up. I think a lot of these coins, especially these altcoins, are, you know, garbage. And honestly, I don't know why they're worth this much. So, yeah, eventually I think we're going right back down. You planning any more live streams, futures trading? Those were great. Yeah, I might do some more. I might do some more live trading. If you guys don't know what he's talking about, basically I did live stream trading, trading the futures. So I might do some more. We'll see. Jay said, Ben, hit the Hadouken. Not yet, man. Until, I'm waiting for this thing to sell off. You said SV looking bad? It is? Does 4K level not have enough support? 4K? Well, basically, if we drop all the way down to 4K, that really doesn't look good, because now the momentum is down. Okay, you remember the momentum is up right here. So for the most part, we need to keep, these gains. All right, at best 45. We need to at least hold that 45 level. I mean, if we go all the way down to 4,000, that doesn't look good at all. That basically tells us that we wiped out all this big up move right here. Okay, so is 4,000 support? We don't know until we get there. Okay, it can be temporary support just to go right back down. So we won't know until it hits that support level. But I'm telling you right now, this move right here to 4,000 is not good for the bulls. Hey, what's going on, Green Thumbs? You said, I hope you've been, yeah, man. Shout out to you, bro. All right. Like I said, guys, if you have any questions, let me know. If you're new to this channel, hit that subscribe button, especially if you don't know how to make money during this, bear market. Anybody that don't know how to make money during this bear market, check out my Discord room or my course. I actually have a crypto course that shows you how to make money during the bear market, bull market. You can get this through my Discord room. Okay. Also, I'll show you how to make money with the futures market, day trading. If you want to learn how I make 1K to 5K a day, check that out. Here's the link. We'll post it right now. If you want to learn how to take your small account, grow it, and become a 6-figure trader, that's that link below, right? I show you how to trade Forex, futures, crypto. And it's worth it. Every penny. I have students that's doing real good. People making back their money. So me personally, as a teacher, I'm happy. I'm happy with the results that my students are getting. I told you guys I help you with your first 5 trades. So I will review your first 5 trades for free. Trust me, you're not going to get that anywhere else. So right now, guys, we are looking for some type of sell-off, unless we break this high. All right, if we don't break this high, we're looking for some type of sell-off. Now, when we sell off right here, I'm looking to see if it's going to be a quick sell-off. If it's a quick sell-off, most likely that's not a good sign. Now, if it goes down slow like this, then maybe we can find support right here and maybe bounce back up. All right. So just watch out for that. Ethereum, I don't like Ethereum, how it's looking. Ethereum looks like it could actually, do a massive sell-off. Do a massive sell-off and basically continue to go back down. Okay. Like this. XRP, we all know about XRP. Honestly, it looks disgusting. It already broke out of this channel. We have to see if it wants to continue or bounce from this channel right here. Right. Me personally, I don't like how this setup is looking. I don't like how we basically, how would I say, hover around this level right here. So we will have to see. We will have to see if Bitcoin can actually move up XRP. If not, if Bitcoin decides to say, you know what, I'm going to dump, guess what? Okay. you're gonna see a dump too. Just what it is. So if you guys have any questions, type it in. Brandon said, "Can we pay BTC?" Yeah. So basically, yeah, you can pay BTC. All right. Just email me, Brandon. Here's my email address. All right. Let me see. That's my email address, Brandon, right there. Just email me, and I'll definitely send you the instructions if you want to pay with crypto. Russell, how do you protect yourself from pumps and dumps in crypto? Do you mostly keep out of crypto trading? Basically, pumps and dumps. So can you explain yourself when you say pumps and dumps? So are you talking about altcoins that are not really in the radar and they just pump up and they dump, or are you talking about like the top cryptos pumping and dumping? Because I'm not too sure exactly what you're talking about. If you're talking about BTC pumping and dumping, that's nothing. It's just you have to understand how to read the charts. You can make money from that. You can make money from the pumping, and you can make money from the dumping. Okay. Now these other cryptocurrencies that I don't, really pay attention to. I don't even trade those. But things like this, you can make money from the pumps, the dumps, if you understand how to read the charts. So it's not really, I'm not really trying to, because the way you're, it seems like, you're scared of the market. Dude, I'm just getting that vibe. You really don't want to be scared of the market. Just learn how to read the charts. Okay. Number two, if you're trading, you want to have to put a stop loss. It's just how it works. So if you put a stop loss in place, that would take care of the rest. JA said, JA, let me ask you a question. Do you have my course already? Do you have my course? JA said, Ben, when a trade goes against you, do you get out immediately, or do you give it room to see if it turns around? Yeah, JA, just answer this question. Do you have my course already? Okay, number one, when I get in, automatically I know for a fact where my stop loss is going to be, right? So I put my stop loss in place. If it turns immediately, I don't care, because my stop loss is right there. So no, I don't mess with my stop loss. I don't get out immediately. If I see a setup, high quality setup, I'm gonna take it, because I know, it's a 70% chance it's gonna work out if I'm going with the flow. Hey, what's going on? You said if what's going on, Finn? You said you just joined, man. Shout out to you, bro. Thanks a lot joining in. You said, can I take a Bitcoin Cash? Yeah, I mean, we basically pumped up, all right? And let me look at the 4 hour. Okay, so this actually looks like it wants to probably go up to the top one more time. All right. Looks like we can actually probably go up one more time unless we catch resistance right here. But we definitely have, you know, another push. We can definitely do another push up, okay? And we have to see if it's going to do something like Bitcoin did, where it just broke out the high just to go right back down. I don't know. I haven't checked that yet. Crazy dump. We might find some temporary resistance right here. But, you know, basically what is, you know, this is telling us, this is pretty much telling us, guys. All right. And this is what I, honestly, let me show you. Let me go to that daily chart. All right. So basically, this is what I'm expecting Bitcoin and the other coins to do. All right. Now, remember when I said Bitcoin, right? Let me show you real quick. I said that, guys, if we break this low right here, okay, and this is the, you know, that was the first time I actually saw that chart too. I said, if we break this low right here, right, and we break it with force, right? So if it's like this, right, that's not good, right? That's not good at all. Looking at this chart right now, basically is exactly what I was just talking about. You see how we broke this low and we broke it with force, okay? A big sell-off. Right? That's what I expect Bitcoin to do, something like that. Will it do it? We have to see. Because eventually I do expect Bitcoin to wipe out all its gains. Similar to this, okay? So this cash, you know, this right here could be, okay, a leading indicator right now. This could be a leading indicator that's telling us what's going to happen in the future. So this can be exactly what Bitcoin, you know, Bitcoin can actually look like this in the future. So just be careful. Make sure you take profits. Of course, I'm not giving you financial advice, but, you know, gosh, be careful out here. You know, a lot of these guys think they know what they're talking about. They think this is the bottom. You know, they think we're going to 80K, 50K, 25K. I don't know where they think we're going, but this is a bear market. If you look at Bitcoin dominance, it's showing us it's a bear market. All right. We still in the bear market, guys. There's nothing bullish about nothing in this market right now. Until Bitcoin proves to us we want to go up more, I'm looking to sell every little rally. Right? It's just how it works. I'm not a guy that wants to guess, because guessers, especially in the financial markets, they are losers. Okay? If you want to guess, you're going to be a loser. Okay? So if you hate guessing and you want to understand how the market really works, hit that subscribe button, all right? And follow a professional that's doing this every single day. I'm a full-time trader. This is what I do. I love the charts because basically it will never lie to you, and it's telling you what to look for. Okay? Rookies get happy when they see up moves like this. Professionals, they say, "Hey, wait a minute. I don't know if I like this. I don't know. Let me, wait it out. Let me see if it hits a resistance zone, okay? And let me see how it reacts at that resistance zone, okay? Before I make a decision." So I don't want you guys to get too happy. Understand how to read the charts, and that's it. So let me see if I see any questions right here. You said WikiLeaks is selling BCC. You said no, dude. Dump was because of delisting. I know that. Someone told me that already. Okay. I said, you're not listening to what I said. I said that's the first time I looked at that chart. Before I saw that chart, that's exactly what I was saying to you guys. Okay. I said if Bitcoin breaks this bottom with force to the downside, okay, it's not good. I looked at that chart, and that's exactly what I was just talking about. Okay, exactly. I don't care about delisting. Okay, I'm telling you what Bitcoin could do in the future. All right, because Bitcoin is still, and these cryptocurrencies are still in the bear market. Let me see here. Yeah, JA. Yeah, so basically, JA, if you're taking a setup, all right, you put your stop loss in place and don't mess with it, okay? Because if you mess with it, let's say that you get in a trade and it goes against you, you're gonna mess up your win ratio, all right? You're gonna take small losses, but they're gonna add up, and a lot of those losses could have been winners, but you just messed up by stopping yourself out early. So me personally, I don't mess with my stop loss. Russell said heavy manipulation in the crypto market, don't you think? No, I don't think so. Because you have to understand manipulation is actually part of the charts. It's just how it works. It's how the market works. Okay, so basically what I'm trying to say is I understand it very clear. Like this looks like manipulation to you. It looks very clear to me, right? Now, when I say it looks very clear to the point where did I expect this move to go up like this? No. But when we did have this move like this, right, I said, okay, where's the next resistance zone, right? Where's the possible, where Bitcoin could basically slow down at and decide to pull back? Because when I'm looking at the market, I'm not looking to say what the market is going to do. I'm a guy, a professional that reacts to the market. So basically what I'm trying to tell you is no one knows what the market is going to do. Okay? If someone tells you what they know what the market is going to do, they're lying to you. Okay? It's not about knowing what the market is going to do. It's about reacting to the market when it's doing something. Okay? So what Bitcoin is doing something right now, right? I will react to that because most people, especially rookie investors, will automatically think this is a bullish move, and I'm looking at it and I'm like, okay, this is an up move, but it's still not showing me it wants to be bullish yet. So manipulation is actually is normal when it comes to markets, because it's part of how the market moves, right? I know it sounds weird, and some of you guys probably won't understand exactly what I'm trying to say. But if you study this market over and over and over, you will start to realize manipulation is baked in the chart, and you can't basically get out of that. Like, you can't get around that. If you go to the stock market, you have manipulation. If you go to Forex is bad too, trust me. Penny stocks, anything, okay? So once you understand that it's part of the game, all right, it's just, honestly, I don't even think about that word, manipulation. That doesn't really, you know, it doesn't really, I don't even think about that. What we really want to think about is manipulation when it comes to news, not really the charts, right? So most people think manipulation when it comes to the charts. I don't think that. I think more manipulation when it comes to the news, okay? So certain news comes out, I think a lot of it is just bogus, okay? So honestly, it's more manipulation in the news than the charts. The charts is just pretty much doing what it's supposed to be doing. Let me see here. Yeah, guys. So if you guys have any more questions, let me know. If you don't, you know, like I said, I can end this chart. I mean, in this live stream. I definitely appreciate all my subscribers. Thanks a lot for stopping by. This was a last minute live stream. Wasn't really trying to do a live stream today. You know, just relaxing and just enjoying life. Okay. If you want to learn how to basically take advantage of the market, take advantage of crypto in the bear market, in the bull market, take advantage of other markets like Forex, commodities, gold, silver, NASDAQ, Dow, Forex market, check out my course. I will show you how to grow a small account, because I know some of you guys probably dealing with a small amount. Okay, so if you want to learn how to grow a small account and become a six-figure trader, okay, learn how to become that six-figure trader, this is a link for you. If you want to work, okay, for the rest of your life until you're 65 years old, or if you want to basically buy a cryptocurrency and hold it and hope that it will go up, then this is not for you, bro. Okay, this is only for people that want to learn how to make money in OW. Okay, so basically, this shows you how to make money now from the markets, and your job as a student is to study the material, practice over and over and over. Okay, become good so you can learn how to make money in OW. Okay, now, okay, that's what I basically specialize in. I really care about the news. I told you guys that before, over and over and over. Doesn't matter to me. You know, same reason why a lot of these XRP dudes are suffering right now, because they're so stuck on the news. I mean, XRP chart looks disgusting, right? You know, still at 31 cents. You know, it is what it is. So if you into suffering, and if you want to suffer, wait, hold, then that course is not for you. My channel is not for you. Honestly, it's only for people that wants to grow, want to take their trading and investing to the next level. And if you want to learn how the big boys are basically taking your money and making money, a lot of money, you know, this is the channel for you, because most of you guys are buying at the top, and the big boys is taking your money. Okay, you want to learn to be this guy right here, right? This guy, the big dogs right here, is selling. You want to be that guy. You want to learn what is that guy doing? I want to learn, you know, how is this guy right here selling and making money while most I would say 90%, 95% of crypto investors are losing money. You see the difference? You guys are focusing on the wrong things. You're focusing on, oh man, I want to know about the next best project. How about learning what the rich guys are doing right now? Okay? The rich guys are selling the cryptocurrencies to you, taking your money, making money now, while you're buying it, talking about, oh man, this project looks good. Did you read the news? Did you read that white paper? Oh man. While this thing is going down, they selling it to you, they taking your money, taking your money, taking your money, taking your money, taking your money. Okay? You want to learn how to be this guy right here. You don't want to learn, you don't want to be this guy right here buying at the top 19K. Unless you want to basically go to work all your life, then I guess you can be that guy. Okay? Some of you guys are lazy, so you will never, ever learn what these rich guys are doing because you're just too lazy. Okay, just what it is. We need lazy guys like you because that's how the market works. That's how we are able to take money from you consistently, okay, and get that consistent paycheck. All right. Most of you guys don't even know what a consistent paycheck looks like. Only consistent paycheck you get is from your job. I'm talking about money that you earn outside of your job. You don't even know what that looks like because you're too lazy. You rather watch sports, be on Instagram, Facebook, play video games, talk about some stupid news that's not even benefiting you right now. It's not even paying your bills, right? You rather, support people that's telling you buy the dips and, the market is going lower. And you haven't made money going on 2 years. Guys, the summertime is around the corner. So, especially if Bitcoin decides to drop, okay, you ain't going to make no money this year at all, period. So it's going to be 2 years. You haven't made no money. And, you don't want to change. You still don't want to change. You still don't want to, take action or learn how to make money besides hodling. But anyway, I appreciate all my subscribers tuning in. I appreciate anybody that's new. Hit that subscribe button if you're new to the channel. If you want to just basically get out that matrix and learn something new. This is the channel for you. Thanks a lot, guys, for stopping by. Give you guys a round of applause. And I don't think I see any more questions, so let me see if I see any more questions. Crypto Cody said, in your experience, do you find crypto charts harder to read than the stock market charts? So basically, is it harder to read? Do I like the stock market? So if I had a choice and you say, hey man, stock market or crypto, I would pick stock market, right? Not because it's harder to read. It's actually it's a little bit cleaner, and the moves are not, it's just crypto is more spike consolidation for a long time, another spike, another consolidation for another 2-3 weeks. So, dealing with that, that's why I would probably pick the stock market, because it's probably flowing better than crypto. Okay. Now, can I still read crypto charts? Yes, I can still read it. This makes a lot of sense to me. Okay, I told you guys, before, this is why I have this zone right here. Okay, remember I had this zone right here. I said I'm looking for market, right? I'm looking for Bitcoin to react to this level right here, right? And this is before Bitcoin basically went to that level. and we dropped. All right. Now I'm looking for a little bit more selling, and if we do get that selling, I want to see if we get that thrust down, because if we get that thrust down, that's not good. Right. So I would pick the stock market over crypto. Yes, I would, but I can still read crypto. Okay, I can still read it. It's just, just how you just, once you understand the charts, you just understand the charts. Yeah, man. Shout out to you, Green Thumbs. The news. Honestly, I hate looking at the news, man. George said, "Are you assuming that we are on a loss? Some of us are not. I am actually on profits." So, George, let me ask you a question. Okay, I don't know if you left already. When you say you are in profits right now, are you basically telling me that you're holding cryptocurrencies? Okay, are you holding cryptocurrencies? Because when you say things like that, I'm not too sure. What are you doing? Are you holding cryptocurrencies, or are you trading cryptocurrencies? Right? Let me know. I started day trading 6 weeks ago, and I'm up 22%. Is that good, Big Ben? Not really. If you just started day trading 6 weeks ago, you up 22%. Is that good? I'm gonna say no, because you're still learning. Okay. I hope you can keep up that momentum, but at the same time, you're still learning. So you have to not get too happy, not too cocky. You have to stay on track. Okay. Honestly, I don't know, if you understand what you're doing. Did you get material from, who are you learning from? Okay. But at the end of the day, just, being up 22% is good, but you're still learning. Okay. You said you read a lot. What do you mean by you read a lot? So basically, you bought some courses. You say you watch a lot of seminars, etc. before I started. Okay. So yeah, like I said, it all depends on who you're learning from. If you're learning from the right teacher, then that's good. All right, that's very good. But at the same time, just because you're up, what I'm trying to basically say is, don't get too happy. Okay, because that's what a lot of new traders they do. They get too happy and they get too cocky, and you don't want that, because the market will humble you. It's just what it is. So if you're up 22%, I would just, be calm and continue to make sure that you are on point, and learn from your mistakes, because you will make mistakes. But I definitely hope you continue that good streak, man. Shout out to you making money. Let me give you that ka-ching button. Shout out to you, bro, making that money. Yeah, so George, basically, I don't know if you left, all right? George left, but anyway. Okay. So George said trading, but not every day. It's annoying. I look at the charts all day, time, buy and sell high, and that's what trade each week. So basically, George, if you're trading, then I'm not talking about you, all right? I'm not talking about you. I'm talking about the people that's hodling, right? Keyword hodling, okay? The people that's buying and holding, that's not trying to improve and understand how the market works, those are the guys that's, you know, are basically on the sidelines praying, having a finger crossed, right? Making no profits. But shout out to everybody that's here. I'm about to get out of here. Appreciate everybody that's here. If you don't have my room by now, check out my Discord room, my private Discord room. This is a link right here, right? It will show you how to become a professional trader. If you guys have any questions, you can email me. Talk to you guys later. Okay, and have a great day, guys.